King English Podcast. Easy English podcast for beginners.
Hello, my friends. Welcome to King English Podcast. I'm Emma.
Hey, Emma. Hey, everyone. It's great to be here today.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks. And you? You look very happy today.
I am happy. I'm really excited for today's topic.
Oh, yes. It's a very helpful topic.
Many learners ask about this topic.
Yeah, they really do. People ask this all the time.
But first, everyone, please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button, too.
Share this video with your friends.
It really helps our channel grow.
Okay, Paul, are you ready?
Oh, yeah. I'm ready.
So, what's our topic today?
Today, we're talking about how Americans learn English fast.
That sounds really interesting.
Yeah, and very useful for beginners,
Many people want faster English speaking.
especially natural speaking.
Exactly. Natural English sounds very important.
And today, we'll practice together.
We'll use simple English only.
Easy words, easy sentences, easy listening practice.
So relax and enjoy this conversation.
And practice speaking with us today.
Paul, many learners feel nervous speaking English.
Yeah, that happens very often.
Aha, yes. Many people think that way.
But Americans learn differently sometimes.
Really? Tell us more.
Many people practice speaking first.
Interesting. So grammar is not everything?
No, practice is more important.
That is good news for beginners.
Yeah, you can start with simple sentences.
Simple English can still sound natural.
Exactly. You do not need difficult words.
That makes learning feel easier.
And less stressful, too.
What skills help speaking the most?
Listening and speaking every day.
Daily practice is very important.
Even 10 minutes helps a lot.
That sounds realistic for busy learners.
Yeah, small practice becomes strong habits.
I really like that idea.
Me too. Consistency is very powerful.
Imagine this situation, everyone.
You meet someone new at work.
Or maybe at school.
Or during a trip abroad.
You want to speak naturally.
But your mind suddenly feels blank.
You forget simple English words.
That happens to many learners.
Yeah, even good learners sometimes.
So what should people do?
They should practice every day.
Especially listening practice.
What kind of listening helps beginners?
Short podcasts help very much.
Why short podcasts?
Because they feel simple and relaxing.
That makes learners practice more often.
Exactly. Long lessons feel difficult sometimes.
Short lessons feel easier to finish.
And repetition helps memory too.
Do Americans repeat audio often?
Yeah, many learners repeat conversations daily.
That sounds like good practice.
Very good practice for pronunciation.
And also confidence.
Exactly. Confidence grows with repetition.
Paul, how did you improve speaking?
I listen to podcasts every day.
Really? Every single day?
Yeah, usually during morning walks.
That sounds relaxing.
Sometimes I listened while cooking dinner.
Oh, that is smart multitasking.
Yeah, daily life became English practice.
What podcasts did you choose?
Easy English conversation podcasts.
Did you understand everything?
No, not always.
So what did you do?
I listened again and again.
Repetition helped your listening.
Yeah, very much.
Did you also repeat the sentences?
Yes, I repeated many sentences aloud.
Why aloud?
Because speaking trains your mouth muscles.
Interesting. That helps pronunciation too.
Exactly. And speaking confidence improves faster.
Did grammar help you a lot?
Grammar helped a little.
But not the most important thing?
No, listening helps me more. Simple listening creates natural speaking habits.
Did you practice with friends too?
Let's review some useful sentences together.
Great idea.
You said, I listened to podcasts every day.
Yeah, that means daily listening practice.
Daily practice builds strong habits.
And habits improve speaking naturally.
Another useful sentence was, I repeated sentences aloud.
That means speaking with your real voice.
Why is that important?
Because silent reading is different,
Speaking aloud feels more natural.
and pronunciation improves faster too.
You also said, I listened again and again.
Yeah, repetition helps memory.
Repetition helps learners feel comfortable.
Exactly. The brain remembers repeated sounds better.
That is a very helpful method.
And it is easy for beginners.
Simple methods often work best.
I completely agree.
Okay, everyone, let's practice important phrases.
These phrases are simple and useful.
Phrase 1. I practice English every day.
Very useful daily expression.
Phrase 2. I listen to short podcasts.
Great for listening practice.
Phrase 3. I repeat simple sentences aloud.
Excellent speaking practice.
Phrase 4. Listening improves my speaking.
That sentence is very important.
Phrase 5. I want to speak naturally.
Many learners want this goal.
Let's repeat everything together now.
Slowly and clearly.
I practice English every day.
I listen to short podcasts.
I repeat simple sentences aloud.
Listening improves my speaking.
I want to speak naturally.
Excellent job, everyone.
Now it is your turn.
Let's practice together slowly.
Repeat after me. I practice English every morning.
Very good.
I listen during my morning walk.
Excellent pronunciation.
I repeat easy English conversations.
Nice and clear.
I want to speak English naturally.
Great speaking practice.
Now make your own sentence.
Use simple words only.
For example, I practice by watching videos.
Or I practice by listening to music.
Maybe I practice with my friends.
That is also very helpful.
Speak slowly. Do not rush.
Clear speaking sounds more natural.
And remember, mistakes are normal.
Yeah, mistakes help learning.
Every learner makes mistakes sometimes.
Even advanced speakers make mistakes.
The important thing is practice.
Practice creates confidence,
Confidence creates better speaking.
and better speaking creates motivation.
Great job today, everyone!
You did very well today.
Today we learned simple speaking habits.
And simple listening practice methods.
Remember, you do not need perfect grammar,
You just need daily practice.
especially listening and speaking.
Even 10 minutes can help.
Small practice becomes strong English skills.
And confidence grows little by little.
If you enjoy practicing with us, subscribe today.
And come back for more conversations.
We post new English practice every week.
Easy English, natural conversations, daily practice.
And tell us in the comments, how do you practice English?
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for listening today.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Okay, everyone, let's practice important phrases.
These phrases are simple and useful.
Phrase 1. I practice English every day.
Very useful daily expression.
Phrase 2. I listen to short podcasts.
Great for listening practice.
Phrase 3. I repeat simple sentences aloud.
Excellent speaking practice.
Phrase 4. Listening improves my speaking.
That sentence is very important.
Phrase 5. I want to speak naturally.
Many learners want this goal.
Let's repeat everything together now.
Slowly and clearly.
I practice English every day.
I listen to short podcasts.
I repeat simple sentences aloud.
I repeat simple sentences aloud.
Listening improves my speaking.
Listening improves my speaking.
I want to speak naturally.
I want to speak naturally.
Excellent job, everyone!